Hello viewers, 4DIYers here with another video for everyone. In this video here I'll be showing you how to repair a map light that doesn't turn off, as well as removing the overhead console. Unfortunately, one of my map lights didn't turn off, so I had to remove the lens and remove the bulb completely. I've heard this can be a common problem, and it's a fairly simple fix. Using a small standard screwdriver, pry out the lens. Pry on the sides close to the front where the pivots are located for the plastic lens. Be extremely careful, as they can break easily. Remove the two torx screws behind the lenses. Finally, pull the overhead console down from the back side first, and then disconnect the tabs on the front side. Unplug the two wire connectors at the rear. There will be one tab that needs to be depressed, and then pull it straight off. As you can see, the switch has popped out of its location. Simply push it into the larger hole and then slide it over to the smaller hole. If your plastic is cracked, then I would recommend using some hot glue to hold it in place. Here's a view on the back side before it's put back together. Plug in those electrical connectors. Snap in the front clips. Reinstall those screws in behind the light lens. To reinstall the lens, put the tab portion back in first, and then snap the pivot points back in. The new bulb can then be installed, and then reinstall the lens. Make sure it works before putting the lens on. New videos are released every week on my channel. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button, it's a huge help to me, and leave a comment below if you found this tutorial helpful. If you're not a subscriber, be sure to also hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching.